What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be talking to you about a product that I am super excited about. This is kind of be a hype video more than anything. I don't have the device isn't out yet, so this is not a review. This is not an unboxing. This is literally just laying out the facts, what we know right now about the HyperX Quadcast Streaming Microphone. I got all the details, including a release date and a price, and where you're going to be able to find it on the release date. But before we jump into any of the details on that, I just want to say, if this is your first time to the channel, welcome to Plug and Play. If you like this video and you want to see more videos just like this or tech reviews, please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss any other videos. But without further ado, let's jump into the video. So if you haven't heard of the HyperX Quadcast, it was announced at CES 2019, and this is going to be HyperX's first launch into the microphone business. So this is a dedicated USB microphone that's priced and feature set to go up against one of the main popular broadcasting microphones in the space, the Blue Yeti. Now, I am a big fan of the Blue Yeti. I'm actually using it right now. I use a Blue Yeti Blackout Edition, and there's some things that I don't like about it, but overall, I love this microphone, and it's super exciting to see HyperX jumping in and coming in at the same price point as well as the same feature set as this super popular microphone. Some of the awesome features that the HyperX Quadcast comes with is going to be the same 4 different cardioid patterns that you get from the Blue Yeti as well. It's going to come in at a price point of $139.99. So $140 US at the time of launch. That's the MSRP. And from what I heard from the manufacturer, it's going to be available day one on Amazon. And I'll tell you when the date is in just a few minutes. Now, if you put your microphone on your desk, or you use a boom that's on your desk, any vibration that shakes that desk at all. So if you tap on your desk, or you're typing really hard, or you bump it with your leg, that kind of thing, that vibration can actually go through the arms, the mounts, the things like that, and you actually hear that in the microphone itself. So to resolve that, you buy this little attachment that's called a shock mount, and it looks like a little cage, and it's got a bunch of little rubberized things in there that suspend the microphone, and basically what it does is it dissipates those vibrations and keeps you from basically getting that sound in the microphone. So it helps clean up a lot of the audio issues that you might run into in that case. Cool thing is out of the box, the Quadcast comes with it. This is a USB cardioid microphone, so it's USB plug and play kind of thing. Plug and play. It's USB plug and play, which is really cool. It's not gonna require any software drivers or anything special. You literally plug it in and it's ready to go right out of the box. It's got a built-in headset plug, so at 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. What's really cool about that feature, and I love this feature, it's one of the main reasons why I use my Blue Yeti, is it allows me to plug my headphones directly into the microphone and monitor the audio that the microphone is picking up. So I can actually hear my voice through my headphones, which is really nice. So it allows me to kind of monitor my sound, make sure my voice isn't too loud. I can hear myself, so I don't have to talk overly loud. Sometimes you get that feeling that you need to talk louder because you can't hear your voice. With mic monitoring built into the HyperX Quadcast, you can. Along with all those features, it also has a dedicated touch mute button. So the Blue Yeti has a mute button as well, right? I can push the button and the little LED indicator kind of flashes, but the HyperX Quadcast has a touch pad on the very top. So a very gentle touch will mute the mic and unmute the mic. The cool thing is that when it's muted, you get an LED indicator that's basically telling you that you're muted. And then if you tap it again, you go back to live. The overall design and the look of the HyperX Quadcast is super slick. It's really, really nice look. It looks like a HyperX product, really well refined, cool LED lighting, and overall it just looks like an awesome product. One of the other big things, and this might not be a big deal for any of you guys out there, but for me, it's huge. Using the Blue Yeti, this thing is a heavy microphone. It weighs a ton, and it's just a really large, overall a large microphone. And so I have a hard time with the setup that I use. I live stream from one position, from a sitting position, and I actually do my videos when I'm standing. And so I need to be able to move my microphone down and up very easily. So I have a pretty unique setup. One of the big things that I run into is that the weight of the Blue Yeti makes it difficult for me to switch between the two configurations. The nice thing is the HyperX Quadcast is going to be about half the weight of the Blue Yeti, which is going to solve basically all of my problems. And if you run into that issue as well, when it doesn't, maybe your mount doesn't hold it very well or something like that, the HyperX Quadcast is going to be half the weight of the Blue Yeti, which is super sweet. Thank you so much for making it such a light microphone. So those are all the details that I wanted to share. That's everything that we know right now. The one thing that we don't really know right now is when it's being released. And I checked with the manufacturer and I've got the go ahead to share this with you. It is going to be released March 25th in the US. So March 25th. So today I'm publishing this video on Saturday, right before March 25th. So Monday coming up, the HyperX Quadcast will be available for $139.99. So check it out. Look forward to it. I'm super pumped. Look forward to unboxing videos, review videos. I'm going to do the full gamut with the HyperX Quadcast because I'm so excited for this microphone. And again, like usual, guys, if you have any questions or comments, please let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you are excited about it, if you're ready for it, if you've been waiting for it. Let me know what's up. But other than that, guys, that's it for me, and I'll see you in the next video.